It is with profound gratitude I welcome you to this very important press conference. It is no longer news that the Executive Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Governor Olarotimi Akeredolu, has been sick for a while, a situation that we sympathize with and wish him quick recovery. However, we will continue to pray for his quick recovery because he is human. But his incapacitation should not affect governance, as there is a provision for a deputy who shall discharge his duties in an acting capacity as empowered by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The All Progressive Congress is yet to provide the kind of leadership we are expecting at that level. The worst of it is this vacuum in Ondo State, where the APC-led leadership is showcasing ineptitude towards governance in Ondo State. During our reign in power, former President Umar Musa Yar'Adua of blessed memory was sick, could not transmit power to the vice president before leaving the country. However, you will remember that the doctrine of necessity was invoked then by distinguished Senator David Alichenu Bonaventure Mark, who was the then Senate President, that brought the vice president to become acting president as at that time. It also happened in Taraba State when the state governor, late Governor Dambaba Suntai, had an air crash. You will remember that his deputy, then Umar Garba UTC, was brought in at an acting capacity. What is so difficult at this time? That the state assembly in Ondo State and the party leadership in Ondo State cannot come together to do same and give the people firm leadership in Ondo State. There is no doubt that transition is close, but the truth remains that we cannot, because of transition, create vacuum at that capacity in the state. Let it be known that this country belongs to us all. Whether PDP, APC, Labour, Fresh, COA, ABGA, regardless of political parties, this country belongs to us all. It has become ridiculous, and it is demeaning to democracy. It's an insult to the rule of law that till this time, the deputy has not been given an acting capacity. We expect that the party leadership will collaborate with the State House of Assembly and ensure that within the next 72 hours, Ondo people are given firm leadership by allowing the deputy governor to act as the governor of the state as requested by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. The governor has been out of this country, but obviously not fit to continue to lead the state. We hereby want to resound a 72-hour notice of handover of power to his deputy for effective management of the state affairs. We understand that Mr. President is a seasoned politician, and this is in no way new or strange to him, as he has been part of the democratic process of this country right from the break of democracy down to the revival of democracy in 1999. We make bold to say that if the governor fails to resume or hand over power to his deputy within 72 hours, we will have no option than to occupy Ondo State as citizens that believe in the rule of law, because we also believe that it is by that law, by that constitution, that he swore an oath in office to lead the state. God bless Nigeria. God bless Ondo State. God bless us all. Thank you very much. Categorically, that the deputy governor is also of the APC. The truth remains that the duty of governance is for us all, both as citizens and those elected into office. As soon as you man the office of the governor or deputy governor, it is no longer a party affair. It is now a people affair, because you were voted into power by the people. You cannot tell us categorically that the absence of the governor has not hindered smooth runnings of the state. And in that case, all political parties and their members have been affected by the absence of the governor. I am happy that we are not saying that the entire leadership be removed from power. We are saying that the governor who is of APC should transit power to the deputy governor who is also of APC to continue the runnings of the affairs of the state until he is fit to come back to office, and then the deputy governor, as the constitution demands, will cease to operate at that capacity. Until then, there is no yardstick as to why there should be an abuse of the constitution by which you swore and by which you came into office.
Yeah, Mr. Obamudia, okay.
Of confidence on Oluwarotimi. We are not doubting the performance of Oluwarotimi in the state. We have not spoken about performance. We are talking about his health situation. You don't pass vote of confidence in the case of health situation. If a man is well, he comes to office. If he is not in office and he is sick, the constitution says transit power. Nobody is saying that Oluwarotimi has not done well. Nobody has said that Oluwarotimi is not fit to occupy the office. We are simply saying he is not feeling fine, and if he cannot resume office, power be transited so that the activities of the state can continue in smooth running. That is what the constitution has said. But if he is well, which we will pray he gets well as soon as possible, he should come to office and continue running the affairs of the state.
All right, thank you very much.
As you all know, the PDP is an opposition party, and we're only doing what we're meant to be doing. As an opposition party, and not just an opposition party, the main opposition party, we're meant to be checking what the government in power is doing, to put them and balance them to do the right thing. And this is just what we're doing. We're doing our job. We're not saying give it to a PDP person. We're saying the right thing you swore you would do to the citizens of that state should be done. We're not asking for a fight. We're just asking that nobody is above the Nigerian constitution and they should abide by it as such. Thank you very much.